Hello, fellow art enthusiasts. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're diving into a hilarious and quirky adventure as we draw a funny toad and a mischievous ghost. So, grab your supplies and let's get started. Let's kick off the fun by crafting oversized eyes for our toad. With those eyeballs squished right in the middle. Is it fear or perhaps confusion? Now draw a round, big face outline with a small hand and pouty, pursed lips. A perfect sad expression. Add a chin to make it all the more believable. This toad is extremely upset. Include another hand, as if he's clutching something tightly out of fear of the unknown. Peek two legs from behind and sprinkle some small textures for those extra details. But wait, it gets even funnier. Draw a tiny card underneath our toad. Complete with 2 wheels. And you won't believe it, this toad is way too big for this cart. He's practically squished inside, but he's fitting in like a champ. Now let's make this scene even more believably unbelievable. On the left side, draw a cheeky ghost with a sly wink. Maybe he's got some ghostly tricks up his sleeve for our toad here. And don't forget to add a string from the cart going under the ghost's hand. It's like he's giving our toad a wild ride, and the toad looks terrified. Sprinkle in some sparkles and stars to make it all delightfully whimsical. Now onto the fun part, adding vibrant colors to our Halloween adventure. Those big toad eyes, make them sparkle in a dazzling yellow. For our toad himself, let's go with a classic green hue. with some dark green details to really make him pop. The cart? Well, that deserves a mix of brown shades to maintain that vintage feel. And don't forget those sparkles and stars. They should shine in cheerful yellow and orange hues. Last but not least, our cheeky ghost. Add some cute little red blemishes on his cheeks, and finish him off with some ghostly gray details. Ta-da! Our spooky toad and ghostly adventure is now complete. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this quirky masterpiece. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fantastic art journeys. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, let your imagination run wild just like our toad and ghost here. Until next time, keep creating, stay quirky, and have a spooktacular Halloween.